So here is another request. I was asked to explain how to solve this problem, so I'm making a new video for the solve problem series. The given problem is if the function f of x is equal to 3x plus 8 and g of x equals 3x squared plus 2, find g of 4 over f of 4. So this is a combination of concepts on division and evaluation of functions. Okay, but do not be confused when you see problems like this, because all you need to do is to understand what is being asked in the problem. It simply means whatever the value of g of 4, you divide that by the value of f of 4. So basically, what we will do, so let's write solution, is to find what is g of 4 and what is f of 4. Okay, and you can even directly divide them if you want to. Okay, so g of 4 is the value when you substitute 4 on the x of g. So this is your g. So when you make this a number, you say it's 4, then all the x on the function, on the expression 3x squared plus 2, that x becomes 4. So it simply means 3 times 4 squared plus 2. And this will be divided by the f of 4. It's the function f of x, which is obtained when you change this x by 4. So it means 3 times 4 plus 8. And then you follow the order of operations. Okay, exponents, 4 squared, that's 16 times 3. 16 times 3 is 48 plus 2. Divided by 3 times 4, 12 plus 8, that is 20. So 48 plus 2 is 50 divided by 20. So 50 over 20, that simply means 0 cancels. Well, technically, because it's 50 over 20, so it's reduced to lowest term, it's 5 over 2, or equals 2.5. Okay, or you can have it as 5 over 2. So this is the value of g of 4 over f of 4. Okay, so to summarize, so know what is being asked and then just evaluate based on the given number. So it's a 4 to the g and 4 to the f, and then since it says divide g of 4 by f of 4, then divide the values you obtain from the two. Okay, so I hope that this video was able to help you understand how to solve problems like this. That's it. Thank you.